Okay, hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get more control over volume changes if you are using a Bluetooth speaker on Android device. Sometimes when you're using a Bluetooth speaker, if you turn down the volume just a little bit, it got super quiet. But then if you turn up the volume just a bit, it got super loud. On Android device, there's actually an option, a settings to disable this absolute volume as they call it. First of all, we need to turn on the developer option. Go to settings, about phone, and tap on build number several times until you turn on the developer options. Okay, after we turn it on, let's go to developer option. Make sure it's turned on, the developer option. Scroll down until you see networking menu. And under the networking menu, there is an option to disable absolute volume here. So after disabling this absolute volume, the volume changes is going to be more smooth than before. It will not jump from quiet to loud all of a sudden. It's gonna give you more control over the volume changes. So before I disable it, let's hear what it sounds like without this option turned on. Okay, let's turn the Bluetooth speaker on first. I forgot. Okay, it's turned on. Turn on my Bluetooth on my phone. Okay, it's connected. Okay, let's go to YouTube just to test the sound. Let's try this video. Okay, in my opinion, it already sounds loud even when the volume is just halfway full. Yep, it sounds loud even if the volume is just halfway full. So, yeah. Okay. So right now I'm gonna make sure that I disconnect the Bluetooth speaker first and turn on the disable absolute volume option. Yep, it's turned on. Okay, let's connect the Bluetooth speaker back on again. Let's connect the Bluetooth speaker to our phone again. And let's hear what it sounds like now. Okay, I can hear when the volume just halfway full, it still sounds quiet. Before we turn on this option, it's already sound loud even when the volume is just halfway full. So, yeah. So now I got more control over the volume changes. Yeah, so this option could be very useful if you like watching movie in the middle of the night and you don't wanna disturb anybody, especially if you're using a Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, this option could be very useful for that. If you like watching movies in the middle of the night especially. Yeah, so that's basically it. How to get more control over volume changes on Android device. You just turn on the disable absolute volume. Let's hear it one more time. We can hear him scream more peacefully now.